In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view and trace formulas and cell references in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets document and deciding which cell you want to investigate. Maybe it's a total, a percentage, or a result that you want to understand a little better. Click that cell to select it so we can see exactly what's going on behind the scenes. Next, make sure the formula bar is visible. This is the long input area near the top of the sheet where formulas are displayed and edited. If you don't see it, go to the View menu in the top toolbar and choose Show Formula Bar. If it's already visible, nothing will change. That simply means you're ready to go. With your cell selected, look up at the formula bar. You'll see the full formula exactly as it's written. This might be something simple like ish A1 plus B1, or something more complex like ish O sum B2 B10, or a nested function. As you click into the formula bar, Google Sheets will color code the reference cells and ranges in the grid. Those colored outlines are your first visual map of what the formula is using, and they're incredibly helpful for quick auditing. To understand every reference, read the formula carefully and click the referenced areas one by one. For example, if it says B2, B10, click anywhere in that range to see the cells involved. If the formula references another tab, you'll notice the sheet name followed by an exclamation mark like Sales A2 A20. Switch to that tab and look at the highlighted range to continue your review. If you see absolute references with dollar signs, such as A1, remember those are locked to that exact row and column, which helps explain why the formula behaves the way it does when copied. Now, you might be familiar with Excel's trace dependence or trace precedence tools. Google Sheets doesn't include those features, so the best approach here is a manual trace. Follow each reference step by step. Click the referenced cell or range, read its formula in the formula bar, and then follow any references you find there. Keep going until you reach inputs that are plain values rather than formulas. This simple chain-following method gives you a clear picture of how your result is built. By using the formula bar, the color-coded highlights, and deliberate clicking through each reference, you'll gain confidence in your sheet's logic and catch mistakes early. It's a straightforward, reliable way to audit formulas in Google Sheets.